So to start out, basically what we need is a WordPress installation, just kind of starting from scratch. You can see this is just the default 2019 template that they provide you with. In the back end, there's no themes or anything applied yet. So what I'm going to do is go to Engine and download the free WordPress template. I have to accept the terms and conditions, put in my email, which is what my API key is going to be connected to, and hit submit. And what it's going to do is generate an API key, which you're going to want to save for later, and then allow you to download the zip file. Now, when I go back into my WordPress installation, I'm going to go to Themes, Add New. I'm going to find the Upload option, and then I'm just going to drag in that installation right here and then hit Install. And then once it's installed, hit Activate. So if you don't enter in your API key, you're going to get an error that looks something like this. And the API key is just how we track who to send updates to. So it's, it is free, but we need you to have the API key to make it work. So you're going to have to copy that API key that you generated for free, go to theme options, intranet options, and paste that API key in. And then that template is going to work immediately. So you can see what it does is it just creates a basic WordPress site with a login and log out. So it's going to be hidden to the rest of the world, and you're going to have to create users for anybody that wants to access it. So it operates just like an intranet. In these theme options, I'm going to log back in here. It's going to have a few different options for me. My organization name, which I can put in here. I'm just going to call this one Intranet for Engine. You can pick a theme color, which is going to change the color of your headings as well. So I'm going to pick blue, which is our secondary company color, and I'm going to hit save. And then what that's going to do is place my company name at the login screen and in a few different areas. So one is the login screen, and you can see that it changes to Engine Production Ltd. And it'll also change the header as well, as you saw there in the logo. The other thing that I can do is I can go in and I can upload an image of my logo. And then what I'm going to do is take that URL and then paste it under Intranet options right there, save it, and then it's going to change my logo in the header from text to the actual image of it. As far as menu items go, you can go into customizing the appearance of your site. You can only have one menu, otherwise the intranet will get confused. So that's important. Only one menu allowed, just one main menu. And you can add whatever items in here. You can create pages, you can put categories of posts, you can put whatever you want in here and publish it. And then it's going to show right in your menu there. And these are things you can create for whoever it is in your organization that needs to access these things, whether it's if you want to create a page with information about people in the organization or news stories or whatever, you can do all of that. And that's basically it. That's how you create an intranet with this WordPress theme. If you ever have any issues with generating an API key, you can go and download again. We have limited support for this theme as well, but if you contact us on Facebook or through our website, somebody might get back to you within 24 to 48 hours. But again, for the free products, unless you purchase a upgraded subscription, then you won't get the priority support. But again, we hope you guys enjoy this theme and get some good use out of it.